Welcome back. In the last section, we saw how to set up your working environment for this JavaScript course. In this section, you will understand how JavaScript runs on web browser and Node.js platform. I have prepared this nice diagram that clearly talks about the two platforms. At the very bottom, we have the JavaScript engine. This is the program that actually understands the JavaScript and runs it. Google Chrome and Edge browser uses V8 as the JavaScript engine, whereas Firefox uses Spider Monkey. Node.js also uses V8 as the JavaScript engine. Alongside the engine, each environment also has its own platform core. For example, in a browser, the platform core is everything the browser provides internally. For example, rendering the HTML pages, uh, modifying the HTML pages, refreshing the HTML pages, handling events, reacting to mouse click, networking, etc. In Node.js, the platform core is built for server task. For example, um, file system access, reading a file, writing a file, networking, reading operating system, etc. On top of the foundation, you get two important set of tools. One is JavaScript standard library, and second is the platform API. So this JavaScript standard library itself inbuilt in the JavaScript itself, like array, math, date, and JSON. These are always available no matter if you are in browser or Node.js. Next, we will talk about platform API. So these depend on where you are running JavaScript. In the browser, the platform API gives you access to the DOM object, events like mouse click, and web features like a fetch. Similarly, in Node.js, the platform API gives you access to file system, access to OS, download data over HTTP. So, in short, the JavaScript engine runs your code. The standard library is always there, whether it is browser or Node.js, doesn't matter. You always get the standard libraries. The platform API changes depending on where you are running your JavaScript browser or Node.js. Now we will see a quick demo of running JavaScript in the browser and in Node.js. Let me quickly open the Visual Studio Code. Go to File, Open. I have already prepared an example for browser as well as Node.js. First, we will see browser example. Select folder, open. So here is my simple JavaScript code, and this is my index.html file. I have already linked my JavaScript here, general.js. Okay. So what this JavaScript code contains, I am printing running JavaScript in browser. Next, what I am doing, I am setting the HTML body background color to yellow, and the body text as a current date. Then color of the font is black color. So from this example, what we are understanding, right? This new date is nothing but the JavaScript standard library. Then this document comes from the platform core, provided by the platform core. Okay, we will quickly preview it. Open preview. Okay, can see the output clearly. The background set yellow color, and text as the current date. Okay, now we will jump to Node.js example. Open folder, open Node.js. So we have one index.js file. We are importing this module called the FS module. Then we are writing some text into a file. Okay, this will create as well as write the content into this file test.txt. Hello from Node.js. Also, we are adding current date. We'll quickly run this example. Node index.js file got generated. Okay, so yeah, this is the file content. Okay, so what we understand from this code, again, this new date is provided from the JavaScript inbuilt to standard library, the same what we saw in the browser example. And this require FS module is provided by the platform core, Node.js platform core. I hope you now understand the two platforms. I will see you in the next lecture.